Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video features hair from Beauty Forever. They sent me out one of their Brazilian body wave frontal wigs. I have it in 24 inches and the density is 180. So this is just how the cap construction looks. It came with 3 combs and adjustable straps. And this is how the hair looks in its natural state. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and I plucked the hairline a little bit. I didn't have to do much plucking because this hairline was pre-plucked. So I'm just going to go ahead and style this hair. I decided that I wanted to do some wand curls. So I'm taking this curler that I got from Walmart. I think the brand is Remington, but it's just like a regular old curling wand. And I'm taking small, medium sections and I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand just to give the hair like a nice, loose wave type of look. So I'm just going to do this throughout the whole hair and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished look. So this is how the wig looks once it's been fully styled. I am going to go in and comb out the curls a little bit later. But now we're going to move on to the install process. And y'all look how good this wig looks even before I glued it down. Like, this wig was so bomb. Shout out to Beauty Forever. Y'all really did that. So I'm using my Got To Be Glued and my freeze spray. And I'm just going to apply my wig like I normally do. I'm using my blow dryer on medium-high heat, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put this wig on, and I'll see y'all when it's time to do my baby hair, because a lot of y'all have been wanting me to do a baby hair tutorial, so I go in depth a little bit more in this video, so y'all can see what I do to get my baby hairs to look how they look. So now it's time to do these baby hairs, and as you guys can see, I had already started because honestly this is the most tedious part for me when applying my wigs. Like, it takes me so long to do my baby hairs because I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to this step. I like my baby hairs to look more on the natural side. I don't like really thick chunky baby hairs, so I really take my time with this step. So basically all I do is I part out a thin section in the front of the lace and I cut it really short. I don't like my baby hairs to be too long, so I cut them more on the short side, and then I'm using some styling foam. I forget the brand that I use, but I'll try to link it down in the description box. And I'm using a toothbrush, and honestly I just go in, and you just have to have an eye for this type of thing. Like, I just go in and I swoop it in the direction that I think looks the most natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do this, and I will see you in my next clips.
Make a move on, and if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna die with what you go through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down. You don't make it time. I wanna be down.
Okay, y'all, so my baby hairs are pretty much done. I'm now going in with this Murray's beeswax, and I put this only at the front, like the root part of my frontal. I don't put this all over my head. As you can see, it just gives the hair like a really nice shine, and in my opinion, it makes the hair, it makes it look like you just got like a fresh relaxer, and they just like grease your scalp or something. So, and it's also really good for smooth out any flyaways. So I'm just putting this at the base, like where my part is. I'm not putting it anywhere else because it will make your hair really really greasy and sticky, and you don't want that. So I'm only using it at the top, and I'm going in with my hot comb. And I didn't really even need to hot comb this wig because it was already laying pretty flat, but you know, just for good measure. And I'm taking some of that beeswax as well, and I'm putting it on the side parts of my frontal just to give it more of a sleeker look. Alright, y'all, so these are the final results. I'm just going in and fluffing out the curls a little bit, but I was super impressed with how this wig turned out, and also the quality of the wig. Like, Beauty Forever, y'all really did that, so shout out to y'all. Everything about this wig will be linked down in my description box. If you guys want to check Beauty Forever hair out, I will have them linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.